This broke. This broke. Oh man. What's up everyone? This is Masa Shibata from Bangkok, Thailand. How are you guys doing? Hey, so I am back to my house. I have finished ASQ for 14 days. So in this video today, I will rewind the time back to April when I went back to Japan. So in this video, what I will be doing is go through the procedures that I needed to take when I go back to Japan from Thailand. Just to be sure, this procedure that I'm talking about right now is as of April 2021, so it might change. You know, things really do change quickly in this COVID situation, so please remember to check out the latest information anywhere you are, anywhere in the world, anywhere you are about to go. So with that being said, let's rewind the time back to April when I was packing my stuff up and getting ready to go back to Japan. And after a little bit of that vlog thing, I will be going through the exact procedures that I took to go back to Japan. So if you want to directly get into the information part, I will be doing a timestamp below, so check that out. And now let's rewind the time back. I got souvenirs for the people who I'm gonna meet. Oh, this is a lot. This is a big bag of souvenirs. Let me give you a glimpse of what's inside here. Okay, let's go to my normal spot, my usual spot. Right, so I'm back with the souvenirs. Got some of these crispy rolls. Different flavored. More crispy rolls, and one more crispy roll. I've got like these gummy yelly mango, whatever that is. It's probably mango stuff, so you know, it's always good to get some mango back from Thailand. Of course, the usual dried mangoes. A big bag of durian crispy durians. These are actually durian, 100% durian. I'm not sure what it really is, but upon request from my girlfriend, got this. And the others are noodles actually. Noodles that are sold in Thailand, and these, I love these. Seriously, you gotta try them. In Thailand, Mama, the brand Mama has the most share, but this Yum Yum noodles by Ajinomoto, it's actually a brand from Ajinomoto. These are really delicious. You gotta try these. So these are Tom Yum flavored, and they come with soup. Wait, no, they don't come with soup. These are noodles with soup, and these are actually the newer one. These are non-soup noodles, and this is, you gotta try this, it's awesome. So yeah, that is it. So let's pack these things inside and continue. Let's go on with my packing. Just to give you a bird's eye view of what I've bought. Wrap these in some kind of cloth because it is fragile stuff. I think it's gonna be destroyed if I just, you know, put them in here. Let's just leave it like this for now, and I'll think about what to do with the cushions later on. checked in. I'm in the airport, but there's literally so few people. Everything's darker, there's lights out. They're not doing. Many places are closed. Wow. Alright, so now let's get into the actual procedures that I took. First of all, of course, book your flight. There are currently limited flights available from flying from Bangkok to Tokyo. I'm not sure as of now, but when I booked my flight in April, it was only morning and evening. So I took the evening flight, which flew from about 9:50 p.m. or something, and land in Tokyo Haneda Airport at around 5:50 a.m. Japan time. So yeah, book your flights in advance. Step 2, book a private car or have a private car ready to pick you up. You cannot use public transportation to go from the airport to anywhere. If you have a family or someone to pick you up privately, then you don't have to do this. It's okay. For me, I had our family doesn't have a car. There wasn't anyone to pick me up privately with a car, so I booked a private cab in advance and had myself taken home directly from the Haneda airport to my house directly. So that's step 2. Book a car or have a private transportation ready. Step 3, COVID PCR test. You do need a result for the COVID test, the PCR test that indicates negative, within 78 hours of your flight. So 3 days in advance. When I booked my PCR test, it was just the timing when the 3rd or 4th outbreak of the COVID was happening. So many people wanted to take the PCR tests, which was a little bit scary for me because until then you were able to get the test results within that day if it was morning. But in my case, I had to wait for about 1 day until the test results came. So I really had to fix my plan. I only could get my reservation 2 days before my flight, and I actually got my test result on the day of the flight. So book your COVID tests in advance and make sure that you get the test results when you go to the airport. That's everything before you go to the airport. And the next step, step 4, is check in at the airport. So what you need here is, of course, the COVID test results and the documents that you get from the hospital. By the way, I took my test at the Samtibet hospital. The fee for the PCR test with all the necessary documents was 4,500 Thai bahts. That includes everything from the actual test to all the documents necessary to fly back to Japan. It's not going to be email based. You have to pick the actual document up at the hospital. I think that goes for any hospital and any documents that are related to overseas flights. So I got the documents and went to the airport, and when I checked in, I need my passport as always, and all the documents for the COVID test, and basically that's it. So after the check-in, you just have to wait until your boarding time comes, and there was really only about 15 or 20 people on the same flight. It was a very weird experience. I never flew on an international plane where I had so much space. It was actually comfortable flying in a non-crowded plane, so that was a good experience, I guess. So step 5, while you're on the plane, you have to answer a health check questionnaire that you do on your phone or tablet or any kind of digital device that you have. When you answer all the questions, it does take a little bit of time. There are a lot of questions, so I recommend you do it during your flight. And after you answer the questions, you get a QR code for yourself, and you need that QR code when you enter Japan. So have that ready. So step 6, well, step 5 and step 6, it's all actually the same. It's all the same necessary stuff that you need to do before you arrive in Japan. The QR code health check document is one thing, and the other one is like a pledging document. Is that what you call? Well, basically a document that has all the rules written down for your quarantine period in Japan, and it's just like if you're not allowed to go outside, stay home. You have to stay home and things like that, and you just sign saying that you agree to the rules and you'll follow them. That is basically all the necessary steps. and procedures that you have to take when you fly from Bangkok to Tokyo. For any of you who fly from Bangkok to Tokyo or not, that's not many of you, but I hope this video was informative. Again, I do want to stress that this information is as of April 2021, so please do check latest information from a reliable source. I was referring to the Japanese government webpage to get the latest information, so please do that before you get ready. And most of all, whether you're flying anywhere, whether you are traveling somewhere on ground or on a plane, please stay safe, stay healthy. Don't take a risk that might get yourself exposed to COVID. In Bangkok, in Thailand, the rules are implemented very strictly, but when I went to Japan, I was a little surprised how crowded some restaurants were, how people were drinking outside. I don't think that's good. It's risky, it's just dangerous. Don't take that risk. Okay, so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And let's get back to my normal vlog and normal life from the next video. See you again and have a good day. Bye!